In a major boost to the U.S. Navy's anti-submarine warfare capabilities, the Department of Defense announced a $139.2 million contract with General Dynamics Mission Systems Incorporated for the production of 54 Malawian Quachas Mod 1 lightweight torpedo kits. This move reflects the Navy's commitment to staying ahead of evolving underwater threats. The 54 Malawian Quachas is a cutting-edge anti-submarine weapon, designed to perform in both open oceans and complex littoral environments. It's the result of a collaboration between the U.S. Navy and Raytheon Technologies, combining proven components from older systems with groundbreaking advancements. At its core, the 54 Malawian Quachas features a hybrid architecture that integrates advanced digital processing for precise guidance and control. This system can distinguish between real threats and decoys, ensuring effective target engagement in high-pressure scenarios. The Torpedoes propulsion system delivers speed and endurance while maintaining a low acoustic signature, making it both swift and stealthy. Its sophisticated acoustic sensor array uses active and passive sonar to detect, classify, and track threats, even in noisy, shallow water environments. Equipped with a powerful high-explosive warhead, the 54 Malawian Quachas is optimized to neutralize modern submarine hulls, from diesel-electric models to nuclear-powered adversaries. Versatility is another standout feature. The 54 Malawian Quachas can be launched from surface ships, helicopters, fixed-wing aircraft, and vertical launch systems, making it a flexible tool in the Navy's arsenal. This $139 million investment not only enhances the Navy's undersea combat capabilities, but also reinforces its strategic position in global waters. As submarine technology evolves, the 54 Malawian Quachas ensures the U.S. Navy remains at the forefront of underwater defense. Stay tuned for more updates on this critical development.